Hi guys, this is Savannah, and today I'm going to be talking about action verbs and their use in sentences. Action verbs are used to describe an action that is being done by a person or a thing. So for example, you can use an action verb for what someone does, what something does, or what I do. So an example for what I do, you can say, I run a marathon. So myself, I am running the marathon. What someone else does, Teresa eats a hamburger. So Teresa, not myself, is eating a hamburger. And then what something does, so the dog jumps for his bone. So the dog is something and it's jumping for its bone. So here's a video that we're going to watch. It goes over action verbs a little bit, and the rapper has you do the action verbs, so if everyone wants to stand up and you can follow along with this.
A verb is a word, it's an action word. If you can do it, then you do it. If you do it, it's a verb. A verb is a word, it's an action word. If you can do it, then you do it. If you do it, it's a verb. Listen up close, here's what we'll do. I'll say a verb and you say it too. Now when we're playing, when you say it, I want you to do it too. Alright, now everybody, get ready. Because the first verb we're gonna do is clap. Here we go. Clap, 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 clap. A verb is a word, it's an action word. If you can do it, then you do it. If you do it, it's a verb. A verb is a word, it's an action word. If you can do it, then you do it. If you do it, it's a verb. Listen up close, here's what we'll do. I'll say a verb and you say it too. Now when we're playing, when you say it, I want you to do it too. Okay, the next verb we're gonna do is jump. Now remember, I want to hear you say jump, and I want to see you jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Verb is a word, it's an action word. If you can do it, then you do it. If you do it, it's a verb. A verb is a word, it's an action word. If you can do it, then you do it. If you do it, it's a verb. Listen up close, here's what we'll do. I'll say a verb and you say it too. Now when we're playing, when you say it, I want you to do it too. Okay, my verbalicious friends. The last verb that we're gonna do is shake. No, I'm not talking about a milkshake. I wanna see those arms wiggling and those heads bopping. Shake, 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 shake. Verb is a word, it's an action word. If you can do it, then you do it. If you do it, it's a verb. A verb is a word, it's an action word. If you can do it, then you do it. If you do it, it's a verb. Listen up close, here's what we'll do. I'll say a verb and you say it too. Now when we're playing, when you say it, I want you to do it too. Alright, now we're gonna break it down a little bit and then speed it up. Alright, let's verbalize this place. Clap, 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 clap. Jump, 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 jump. Clap, 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 clap. Jump, 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 jump. Clap, 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 clap. Jump, 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 jump. Shake, 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 shake. Clap, 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 clap. Jump, 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 jump. Shake, 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 shake. Clap, clap. Jump, jump, shake, shake. Clap, clap. Jump, jump, shake, shake. Clap, clap. Jump, jump, shake, shake.
Alright, so that was fun. So now let's think about words we think about when we think of action verbs or just verbs in general. So the first thing I want you guys to do is think of words that mean go, or how can you go somewhere using a verb. Just take a minute and think about that. Okay, so here are some examples. So you can use walk, crawl, skip, jump, dance, run, or shuffle to describe someone or something going somewhere. And we have another category. Just try to think about as many action verbs as you can, not specifically to go. Okay, here's some examples. So kick, pray, flip, type, write, talk, and erase. So all of those words can be used in a sentence to describe an action. So I'm just going to use a few words in a sentence, or in sentences. So the first one, the cow jumped over the moon. The action verb is jumped, and the subject is the cow. So Jack and Jill ran up the hill. The action verb is ran, and then the subjects are Jack and Jill. Sarah will write a sentence. Write is the action verb and Sarah is the subject. The students run at recess. Run is the action verb and students is the subject. Okay, so one of the most important things about using verbs in sentences is that it must agree with the subject of the sentence. So if the subject is singular, so a boy, the verb must also be singular. A boy runs. And then if the subject is plural, the verb must also be plural. So make sure we're paying attention to that when we're writing sentences. All right, and that's all I have for you guys today. Bye.